YouTube. 1983 Buick Regal Limited. Everything original. Let me see, boss. Yeah, that's the key. Cold start. I ain't started up in a while. Bumper filler still on it. That bumper looking real solid and smooth. Yeah, that's the key. Original rag top on him. Everything original. She a little junky. She been sitting. Look at that. Look at that interior, man. She need a little cleaning up. Got my roof. She's starting to sag, but that's what happens when everything original. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Ski. Listen to that though. Solid. All the way around. I'm gonna go get it painted soon. I might do a motor swap. I don't know yet. Front bumper. Still solid. Bumper fillers on both sides. Yup. Everything original, man. Very minimum rust on this thing. Back in '84, it was took to the Z-Bar shop. Everything was sprayed underneath. Look, I mean, look at them. Come on, man. Look at them rockers, man. Let me get them real good for you. And I know what y'all gonna say. What about under that trim? Under that trim, she's solid still.
Oh, so this is
got a little bit of this right here. That's just surface rust. I'm gonna clean that up though too. Once I take it to the body shop, they're gonna get everything done. Yes, sir. Ski. Go ahead and pat it up a couple times. Cold start right here. It's the square key. Ouch, I just stepped on something. Don't walk outside barefooted, y'all. All right, stop, pat it up, pat it up. Yes, sir, ski. Stepped on a pine needle twice. After telling y'all don't walk outside barefooted, I stepped on it twice. I got the dual exhaust on it. Factory 3800 in it. Did I forget to mention? Duals on it. AC work, everything, cruise control. Only thing ain't original in here is the radio. But I found one. I gotta find this too. Find them buttons. I'll put it back together. Pat that gas one time. Hit it again. Yes, sir. Ski, pop that hood. She original. Oh, that motherfucker heavy. I like the new car hood. Be heavy than a mother. Original 3800, man. 59,000 original miles. Most people say, well, how you know that? How you know that? You only got 5 digits on the dash, all this. How you know it ain't 159,000? Cause there's certain things you can look at a car and just tell when it ain't been rolled. And I'm gonna tell y'all what I go by. Man, look at that thing, man. You can tell it's been sitting. Whoever had it before I got it had it sitting. But the first tell sign for me that it ain't got 159 on it is this right here, if you ask me. See that gas pedal? See how that don't look all wore off? See that brake pedal? How it don't look all wore off? Man, she's solid. Listen to these flows. Man, you can't Fred Flintstone on this. Let me get up underneath. Original flow, man. Original flow. Original. Look up under there. Got this surface rust, of course. But that ain't nothing, man. As long as you ain't got no holes in there, all this gonna come. All this getting rubbed out, sprayed down before it get too far. Man, look up under there. Look at them. Look at the bottom of them rockers, man. She's solid. Now, she's solid. These hard to find right here. Yep. I'm gonna go ahead and do this for the comments, man. Go ahead and y'all comment how much y'all think I paid for this car. And then I'm gonna drop some pictures in this video and show y'all what it looked like when I got it. Yeah, she nice, man. I ain't even gonna do nothing with the most Regals I do switch the motors out, swap them out. This one looking so nice, I'm gonna just leave it all original. I see I got a crack in this bumper filter, but that's some light work. Them easier to get, and I think I'm pretty sure for me dealing with these Regals so much, I already got a fiberglass one back out there in my shed. And I remind you, this is a Michigan car. Michigan car, and it's solid. Look at this thing. Whew. Last time I drove it, it must have been cold because I done left the heat. Yeah, that's what you get. I'm gonna go ahead and guess that price. Go ahead and guess that price. And look, show y'all one line about that right there. That's original sticker from '84. Original sticker from '84. Right here. Oh, I lied to y'all. I said 84. It was 83 or 86. 86, my bad. 86. Yeah, everything for sale. Everything got a price. Pretty good. All right, I'm back, y'all. Had to holler at the neighbors, man. Yeah, look at it. Original tires too. I redid these too. I'm gonna drop the video of what I did to bring these back. They ain't all the way back, little pit and stuff, but I brung all that back, man. I be trying to do my thing. Now these going too, man. I don't know whoever decided to put these on here. Some mud flaps need to get slapped. Them coming off. Them is definitely coming off. But yeah, man, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna drop another video too when she was original. Show you what she looked like. Yes, sir. Ski. I gotta. That's buckling out. I'm gonna see what I can do about that. I'm thinking about running some steam on her, trying to put her back in there, try to pop it out. I don't know. I'll figure it out. I got a whole bunch of homeboys to do this. And eventually we're gonna hit these weather strips too. Bring it back. These look good, but all this gonna have to go. All these gonna have to go. These don't light up. I've been trying to find these for so long. If anybody got a connection or a plug on these right here, crystal liquid lights, I think they call. Send me some information, man. I definitely need those, y'all. Definitely need those. Yeah. This is what you get for a certain price. Yeah, and dude showed me love, man, but I kind of stole it from him. But I mean, it is what it is. So y'all get in the inbox. Let me know what y'all think I paid for, y'all. Let me know. Let me know. But yeah, with that being said, man, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video. Like, comment, subscribe. I'm gonna call it a day. Go back, chill with the family. Boom.